What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Thanks for watching my videos, man. It's Mr. 300, man. Thanks for spending your time with me. Thanks for checking in, man. I appreciate every single one of you guys, man. Hope you guys having a great day. It's Friday here, man. I hope it's nice weather wherever you at. If it's not, you know, take advantage of that, man, because some people love the snow. Some people love the wind, and, you know, everybody like different type of things, man, so you can appreciate wherever you have. But we're going to have a nice video today, man. I'm going to talk about couple of things: traffic infractions and how to make money on Amazon. I'm gonna wait for the Amazon joint until the end of the video, just because not everybody, you know, try to do the car stuff first or whatever. But I also want to, you know, show people what I'm, you know, trying to do or whatever. And a couple of people hit me up about it, you know, asking about what it is, and just, you know, get more information on it. So I want to show you guys, because I don't know if a lot of people like know about it. I don't know. It's a dope way to make money, you know. But I'm gonna say that to the end of the video. Like I said, this is gonna be a regular, like, more informative video. We just gonna talk about something real quick. But yeah, man, I also got a vlog style video coming. I did one, man, did the dual vlog with a dope ass YouTuber, more than a YouTuber, man, a dope ass entrepreneur, but he got a lot of dope ass cars, man. So his videos are, you know, got like dope ass whips in them as well, you know. But that's gonna come out in a couple days probably. Honestly, man, I didn't get a lot of footage. You know, like, I didn't do a lot of video in it or recording, whatever, while we were out, you know, because we was, you know, chopping it up or whatever. But he has a nice portion of it, and we got a lot of, like, cars going down the drag strip. You know, there was an event in Vegas at the Speedway, and it was like just a drag style race, you know, drag race style, you know, situation. So a lot of cars went down. So we got like a lot of, you know, different content on that. But, you know, I didn't get a lot, but Dog got a lot. So once he put his video up, man, I'll link it. I'll put another video up and I'll link it. I'm sure you guys already know who it is. If you rock with me, I'm sure you already rock with him. But, you know, it's dope, you know, when, you know, people come together and make a video. With this video, man, we're going to talk about traffic infractions. I was also watching another video about, you know, people just getting pulled over. You know, I went into that rabbit hole and just, you know, different cop interactions with, you know, speeding tickets or just getting pulled over for, you know, whatever reason. And there was one particular one where they were in like a, you know, urban environment, an urban area. I forget exactly what city it was in. But basically there was like a special task force that was like, their main job was just pull people over just for committing traffic infractions, like driving infractions. And that's all they did. And it was like, they weren't regular cops. They were like doing something more, because I guess they were in an area that was like, you know, it was a high crime rate, had a high crime rate. So their job was just to pull people over and basically just harass them. You know, like, just pull people over for just committing traffic infractions. And there was one particular time of the video, actually, I'll tell you more about it. The guy who got pulled over, it was a younger guy. You could tell he's probably like, you know, a freshman in college. You know, you see somebody, you just know they ain't, you know, they cool. They not into, like, you know, negativity and like just problems. You know, where you try, you think, you know, he's one of them type of cats, man. You know, you could tell he was intelligent. He was respectful. He was just reacting to somebody who was in a messed up situation, you know. Eventually, at first, it was like, dog, what you doing? Like, I'm thinking of the cops. I'm like, dog, what you guys harassing people, you know. But I also understand people got a job to do. And like I said, this task force, that they said later in the video that they were told by their boss or whoever to just pull people over for whoever committing traffic infractions and basically, you know, pull them over, you know. And I started thinking, like, what are traffic infractions? And like I said, the dog who got pulled over, you could tell he's probably like a freshman in college, you know, a young guy, 18, 19. You could tell he didn't really have any bad things going on or whatever. And he got pulled over, he got pulled out the car, handcuffs got put on, you know. But while this was happening, I guess he was on the phone with his mom, and he was telling his mom, like, hey, mom, I'm getting pulled over. I didn't do anything wrong. They're pulling me out the car. They're putting me there. You know, he was doing all that because he was still on the phone with his mom while he was getting pulled over. And, you know, I guess he told the mom the location, everything, you know, where it was happening. And at this point, more cops are coming. But basically put him out the car, arrested him, or I don't know if he really arrested him, but he detained him, put handcuffs on him so he couldn't go anywhere. They searched the car, you know, basically just trying to see if there's any contraband inside. Like I said, you felt like there wasn't anything going to be found. this is getting too long, man. But basically, pulled him over. His mom came down. His mom was the officer of the court, so the cops kind of, you know, showed respect, and they were like, "Man, basically, I was told just to pull people over who are committing traffic infractions." And the mom said, you know, he didn't do anything wrong. And the dude was like, "You know what a traffic infraction is? It's like, you know," he basically gave the impression like it's basically anything. So that started having me thinking like, man, you can just get pulled over for whatever. So let me see what traffic infractions are. And I looked them up, and there's, depending on like what county you're in, what, you know, your location, your area, you know, it could be wild things, you know, like if you're making a right turn or whatever, or a left turn, and there's one lane, but you can like turn into like multiple lanes. If you turn into any other lane than the closest lane to the median, like you're doing it wrong, you know? Like if you're making a right-hand turn, you're making a right at the light or whatever, no matter if it's green or it's red. If you turn and you don't go and get into like that immediate, like closest to the curb lane, and you just say you just turn and you get into like the far left lane, that's an infraction. You get pulled over for that. I didn't know that, you know, because I do that all the time. I never like make them tight ass turns, because I usually have a big cars, and it's like, I'm not doing all that when I know it's open, you know. But you can get pulled over for that. You can get pulled over for, you know, having a like a license plate cover, like a license, like, you know, the little plastic joints. You can get pulled over for that. You can get pulled over for having like the dice hanging down from your mirror. You can get, it's so many things you can get pulled over for, and it's like ignorance is almost, it's not an excuse anymore, because everybody got a phone, everybody got the internet. So depending on where you at, man, I suggest you just go look and see what traffic infractions are, the laws, or the county, whatever county you're in, state, all, just figure all that out, man, to see what you can clean up, man, because the less time you have in those interactions, the better, you know, the less, man, because the more you know how to protect yourself, man. And if you're doing something wrong, you're doing something wrong, man. If somebody's told to do a job to stop people doing wrong things, and you get caught up in that because you're doing something wrong because you didn't know about it, who fault is that, you know? And I know it's, you know, I'm not even getting into like the politics of like, you know, when you should get pulled over, who getting pulled over, all that type of stuff. I'm just saying, just know the laws of your area, look up, you know, like I said, wherever you at, look up traffic infractions. And it's different than like I said, it's a different layer than like just speeding, going fast, making a U-turn. You know, it's different. It's like a whole bunch of different things you get put over for, and it's like, it's crazy. I was just looking them up just in all different states, all different counties, where I'm from, where I want to go, all that, man. So I can see how things can happen, man. But anyway, I'm gonna get into the Amazon video now, man. We're gonna switch it up. I usually, you know, try to make them like different videos or whatever, but when I'm watching YouTube, I want to learn about like cars and everything. I want to see dope ass whips. I want to see the Lamborghinis, the Chargers, the, you know, the Corvettes, the Ferrari. I want to see all that, but I also want to see how can I get to that point, you know, because I was watching so many videos about that, and it was like almost like I've started getting like kind of like, damn, like I know about all the whips, but I don't know how to get them, you know. Like, you just got to think about different ways or whatever to make more money or whatever. So I started looking up videos about that, you know. So instead of like cutting this up or whatever, I'm just gonna put everything on the same video. So right now you're gonna get into my computer and we'll continue there. I should have did the double pump, but I'm dry. I thought somebody was gonna pop out on me. But all right, man, this is Mr. 300, man. We're gonna get back into my computer. Let's get it. Yo. All right, we back, man. We're going into my computer now, man. This is just gonna be a quick tutorial. Not even a tutorial, just basically showing you guys just the first piece of what I'm doing. And also, if you guys want to follow along and get the program that I'm using, man, I'm gonna show you guys what it's called. It's called Jungle Scout. What I'll do is, because I want to be getting in contact with people who actually use this program too, and also are on the same, you know, same type of time or whatever. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description, an affiliate link, and if you guys sign up with my link, just be sure to let me know. You know, send me a message or something, or, you know, comment down below, or send me an email to allthingsdopeness@gmail.com. Send me a message and basically let me know you bought signed up for this through my link, and I'll create a group, man. I want to be able to like communicate with anybody who's trying to, you know, do something new, man, because it's, you know, you don't always want to listen to the gurus and the people who are like way super advanced. You want to talk to the people on, you know, just a couple of steps above you or below you, man, to see, you know, different ideas. Because if everybody go to the same person, everybody gonna be using the same techniques to sell and find products. So it's cool to be able to mix it up and communicate with different people at different stages, and not just follow one person the whole time. So basically, this is the program. It's called Jungle Scout. This basically allows us to like search for specific products in Amazon. It has different filters that you can basically use. And basically, I'll show you guys, man. I'll just do something real quick. But let's do find products. We're going to do product database over here. We're going to do Amazon Marketplace. It's already set to United States. I could do select all because this will tell us basically what type of products that they will display for us. But I'm going to narrow it down just to find something real quick. So we're going to let's do kitchen and dining. Do I want to do kitchen and dining? I mean, it don't really matter because we'll be able to find different things in all of these. But let's do, kitchen and dining. All right, so man, I'll get into depth of like go depth or whatever to what all this stuff means and different settings and all that stuff, man. But I'm just gonna like breeze through real quick just so you guys know exactly, like, you guys can see the stuff that I'm trying to look for. So, and all these things can change. I'm just doing something real regular. I'm not doing anything crazy or anything, so you guys don't follow along. Whatever I'm showing you right now, don't follow along because I don't even do what I'm doing right now. I'm just typing in stuff, as I go, just to hurry up and get you guys some products so I can show you exactly the power of this. And like I said, I'll go into another video to see exactly, show you guys more about it. But this is basically going to give us all the results, all the Amazon products that are on Amazon. There's millions of products, so you can go through and scroll through yourself, but you won't be able to find like specific products that this program will show you. And you can also, like, if you don't want to see certain things, if you don't want to see cups or lights, you can exclude keywords down here. You can only, they have to include this keyword over here. And like I said, it's just basically a crazy filter that shows you different things and different products, and you basically can find exactly what you want to, manufacture. So I'm just trying to find something real quick, but I want to find something that's exactly something that I can show you guys so you guys can see how crazy it is, man, because I just started getting into this a couple years ago, and I've been watching videos constantly, but I just recently took the plunge into like getting products and really doing all the research. And it's not really showing me exactly what I want on this page, but as you can see, there's multiple pages. So I'm just gonna find a product real quick and just look it up so you guys can really see the power. But give me 1 second. I mean, it honestly can be any of these. It can honestly be any of these, and I'm gonna show you how crazy this is, man. Just 1 second, man. I know you guys already did the car video at the beginning of this video, so if you're still here listening, watching me do this, be sure to, man, if you don't already, subscribe to the channel, send a like down. I really appreciate it, man. Like I said earlier, man, I got another vlog video coming out with another YouTuber you guys are probably already familiar with. But yeah. All right, so we're gonna check these out, man. We're gonna do these coasters just to show you how crazy it is. So these are coasters. This is a regular Amazon site. This is the actual, site of Amazon. It has these different, pictures. You can tell, I mean, they're good, but they're not great. They're just regular coasters, so it might not be a lot that you can do. But you see how this little emblem here, Athens, it looked like it's embossed. I think this is Photoshop. It might not be, I don't know, but it just looked like it's Photoshop. But they're selling this for $25.99, right? $25.99. No, I'm not going to show you all that because this is going to go too deep. But basically, all right, so we're just going to grab this, right? We're going to grab, because this is the name of the company who makes it, Athens, obviously, because they put a brand on it. We're going to do set of 4 coasters. We're going to go to another site, which is Alibaba. Alibaba is basically the site that I was telling you guys on another video where you could basically get connected to like distributors in other countries and overseas. I'm gonna just paste. I'm gonna copy this information. I don't, set of 4 sapele, whatever. I don't know, wooden coasters. I went to college, but I ain't gonna try to go over the top with it. And we're just gonna search. We're just gonna search to see if we could find some coasters that are similar to that. And look at all these damn coasters, man. Like, let's find something that's really exact like the ones that we just saw. It said with city map, right? So we're gonna try to find some. I mean, it really don't even matter, man. Just you guys get the point. It don't even really matter, man. It's so crazy. Look at this. All right, here go 4 set of coaster sets. Bam. Let's see different pictures of them. My computer is slow, but you can tell this is a coaster. It got a little set that you can put the coaster in. That's pretty dope. Each one comes with their own little set. That's dope. Look at the price. It starts out at $1.50, 56 cents, up to $6.56. But the problem is you got to buy 1,000 sets. So you're at least spending $1,500, at least, all the way up to over $6,000, depending on how you negotiate and all that other stuff. Look, this is the real price. This is the price per set. You just have to buy multiple sets. You see where it says minimum order? 1,000 sets. This is probably a better quality than this stuff. It's probably better. Like, it don't have a little set thing where you can sit it down and charge it like a controller, but they selling for $25.99. I can get each one, even if it's at the most, even if it's at $6.56. They're selling this. Let me get rid of this one. They're selling this set for $25.99, and that might not even be, like, let's look up this. Let's look this up in Amazon to see exactly what other coasters we see. It might be a whole list of coasters. $19.99, $19.99. Look at this, $19.99, $19.99, $22.99 for some coasters. I don't know what this is about, but you see where it is? It's crazy, right? Look, don't F up the table. $19.99, $19.99. $1.50. It's crazy. But anyway, man, like I said, man, if you guys want to sign up, this is the program you actually need. There's other programs with it. It's called Jungle Scout. I'm going to put a link in the description down below. I think it's like $40 a month, the one that I get. You can go higher levels or whatever, but I say just start out the one for like $40. I do the monthly. I don't do the year because, like I said, I'm trying it out. I want to be able to cancel whenever I want to cancel, so I don't care about paying a premium, because I really have the flexibility. But $40 a month, but it basically shows you all different Amazon products. I'm gonna show you guys another one, man. Just so that might not even have been a good one. Let's do something else. Let's do outdoors. Let's change this because I don't know if you guys like. If you still watching it now, man, I rock with you. Like I said, man, like it's just all about getting more, income coming in, man, and just being able to flip, hustle, have fun, drive cars, live your life, bring your homies up, anything like that. But let's do camping hammock. All right, hold up one second. I'm gonna come back.